Good day, everyone. I am Sheila Arsenyenko, your discussant for today. This will be the continuation ng report ni Sophia under the topic of technology tools for collaborative work. So first is Zoom. Zoom is a live stream video and video chat. Even if you don't work from home, you've probably heard of Zoom. In light of the coronavirus crisis, the video conferencing app has become the standard for connecting with others face-to-face virtually in both business and personal settings. Zoom is now the video communication platform of choice for federal governments, tech startups, religion communities, and of course, regular people looking to chat and even party with their friends and family. You don't need an account to attend a Zoom meeting, and the platform is compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android, meaning nearly anyone can access it. As the evolution of technology is still proving, our way of communicating to others is also improving. One of the popular applications for communication is Zoom meeting. Before we use Zoom, there is a Messenger, Viber, etc. Many companies using this application before, but the feature of this application is just for communicating. That's why they create the application for the companies and others for their communicating, especially on meetings. They make sure that this application privacy is secured and friendly user. So next is Google Drive. Google Drive is a collaborate on multimedia projects, share files, collaborate on documents, etc. Way back before we store using floppy disk to our computer with a capacity of megabyte only. As the technology upgrading, the USB came with the chipset smaller and it has a bigger capacity than the floppy disk. And now we are using storage without anything in our hand. It is in cloud or Google Drive. It has 15 GB free storage that can be upgraded. Next is WeTransfer. Transfer files of almost any size with WeTransfer. Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive are decent alternatives. In WeTransfer, it is also storage that you can upload images and videos. Save links and anything from across your apps that you can organize it. So next is Scribbler. Online collaborative whiteboarding, also consider Explain Everything. In Scribbler, it is made for students that they can use it as a whiteboard. Imagine that you are in a class and you can write, draw, and it has also a feature that you can chat and also a voice chat. But before you can use it with others, you must enter a room first. So next is Microsoft Translator. Translate language via text, voice, or photograph to more easily communicate in others' languages. Also consider Google's Translate. In Microsoft Translator, it has 70 languages that you can translate a word with different language to another language to help others to understand it. It uses a voice translation to translate speech and a split screen mode for two participants having a bilingual conversation. It also translates a language using text and it can translate language through photos. So next is the Pulse. The Pulse is a collaboration tool that helps you to communicate, set objectives, and assign tasks. It is a big advantage. It has a great visual design so it's easy to understand and work with. The Pulse is now renamed as Monday.com. It is find the view that works for you. Keep up to date with where everything stands and plan for the future with an easily digestible overview. You may also invite others or share files to others like an email. So next is ProofHub. ProofHub is a work management tool that offers a comprehensive suite of collaboration and project management function. On this platform, you can organize files, plan and monitor projects, and discuss with colleagues and stakeholders. ProofHub also lets you review and approve files through an online proofing tool. In ProofHub, It may help adding project to create tasks and subtasks to start link and discuss and tracking time. You will get to know how everything works in this project management software. So next is Redboot. Redboot is an easy-to-use project management tool. Its platform allows users to plan and collaborate through many functions, from video conferencing to creating Gantt charts. So in Redboot, this is the online project management and team collaboration software. It provides a single workspace where teams can organize work, communicate in real time, and keep project on track. It has tools and features that are simple to use yet powerful to help streamline workflow. Next is Trello. Trello has an intriguing interface that resembles Solitaire. It's easy to learn and works well for monitoring projects and assigning tasks. Trello also makes using Agile, Scrum, and other project management frameworks easy. So in Trello, this is the collaboration tool that organizes your projects into boards. In one glance, Trello tells you what's being worked on, who's working on what, and where something is in the process. Imagine in a whiteboard, filled with lists of sticky notes, with each note as a task for you and your team. Now, imagine that each of these sticky notes has photos, attachment from other data sources like Bitbucket or Salesforce, documents, and a place to comment and collaborate with your teammates. Now, you can imagine that. So, the last one is Wimi. Wimi offers users their own unified workspaces where teams can manage projects and share files and calendars. You can control access in each workspace with the right base system. Wimi Drive, their file syncing software, helps you make the most out of cloud technology. So, Wimi is the best all-in-one collaboration tool for businesses. This is not just words. Wimi includes into the dedicated workspaces, file sharing and drive, task management, calendar sharing, instant messaging, and video conferencing.